everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something super practical and essential for all female travelers out there. Whether you're an experienced solo traveler or just planning your first trip, I think you'll find these helpful and maybe even travel essentials that you must have. My name is Lori and I've been solo traveling for decades. I make videos that are focused on travel tips and destinations with the solo traveler in mind. If that resonates with you, please consider subscribing. I share videos at least once a week, and if you subscribe, please comment and let me know. I would love to connect with you, and I'll be sure to respond. Having solo traveled all over the world, there are a few essentials that I know I absolutely need on every trip. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what they are without adding the fluff or the silly gadgets that you may or may not use. These are the best, most useful items that I can't live without when I'm traveling. The ones that if I arrive at my destination and find I forgot it, I have to go out and buy another one. Let's start with the safety gadgets that you need to have. So I do have another video that goes in depth on safety gadgets for women. And if you're a woman traveling alone, I really suggest you watch it. It literally could save your life. But for this video, I'm sharing the 4 most important ones for me, and I've linked them all in the description below for you. First one is pepper spray. Small. You can hold it in the palm of your hand, and using it will give you time to run away from an attacker or an animal. The next one is this little travel door lock. Guys, this is small too, and I absolutely won't leave home without this, especially if I'm staying in an Airbnb. Get a few of them. They're super small, super easy to use. The other video that I did that goes in depth has actually a little tutorial on how to put this on your door. The next thing is an anti-theft proof / proof purse. This body purse itself is really amazing. I love traveling with it. It's easy to carry around. It's / proof and it has locking zippers and even a way to attach it to your chair when you're dining alone. I've linked that below for you also. Next thing is a VPN, a virtual private network. If you're going to be on any of your devices on your trip, and who isn't really, you should have a VPN. It protects your internet connection and your privacy online when you're using public Wi-Fi hotspots. The next thing is a fake wedding band. Now, I'm not married, but I wear a simple, inexpensive band on my wedding ring finger when I travel solo. So it doesn't appear that I'm traveling alone. It's a simple trick. It just adds an extra layer of security. If you're interested in purchasing one, they're really inexpensive on Amazon. I've linked that below too. Next up, let's talk luggage. If you've watched my channel, you know I always travel with a carry-on instead of full-size luggage for so many reasons. A couple of them being dragging a suitcase in foreign countries is no fun. So I want it to be small and light. Also, a carry-on allows me to be flexible with my travel plans. Again, I've done an entire video on this subject, and it also has packing tips and the luggage that I personally use in it. I've linked it below. But for this video, let's just say you should have a good carry-on bag, along with an overnight bag that fits under your airplane seat. Now for my upcoming trip, I wanted a backpack to take to cafes since I'll be working remotely, as opposed to the overnight bag that I typically use in the States. So after some research, I selected this one. I chose it because it's compact, stylish, it's slash resistant with locking zippers and RFID blocking card slots. It also comes in several different colors, which is a bonus. So if you like it as well, I've linked it below in case you want to check it out. Here are some other helpful gadgets that I never travel without. Number 1, travel plug adapter. This is of course a must-have for international trips. Number 2, a portable phone charger. A lot of times when you're traveling, your phone is also your safety line. So it's essential, especially if you're a woman solo traveling, to make sure that your phone is charged up at all times. Next, a neck pillow. Great for sleeping on the plane if you like them, though personally they're not my favorite thing. I tend to ball up something and use that as a pillow. But a neck pillow can be a great essential. Then there's lip balm. This is a must-have to keep your lips hydrated when you're traveling. Next, makeup remover wipes. These are good for obviously removing makeup, but also for freshening up if you miss a shower, just kind of in between. And then AirPods or headphones. We've all been stuck on planes with crying children or non-stop loud talkers. AirPods or headphones are a lifesaver for tuning it all out and listening to music or podcasts. I love Audible and I listen to my books while traveling. Of course, it's great for watching movies on the plane as well to have your headphones. My next essential is a tablet. Instead of a laptop, it's smaller, it's great for reading books, watching movies, it works well for most tasks. Although I have to mention here that if you're a remote worker like me, I find it challenging for lengthy projects, and I do prefer my laptop with the keyboard. Then there's a water bottle. It's so important to stay hydrated when you're flying, driving, walking all day, when you're on vacation or visiting some new place. So drink your water. Okay, let's talk about clothes. Here are some must-haves for me. I always bring a shawl or a wrap with me. It works great as a blanket, or this is the one I bring, or to use as a scarf, or to just wrap around my shoulders when I get cold. It's small and it's lightweight, and this one that I have right here is one of my favorites, and I purchased it in London. So maybe you'll even find one on your trip. Next, socks. So I have a thing about walking on carpeted or tiled hotel rooms and Airbnbs with my bare feet. It just kind of icks me out. So I must have a pair of socks with me when I'm traveling, no matter the time of year or what shoes I'm wearing. I always bring some socks for walking around my accommodation. Travel shoes. Of course, you want comfortable walking shoes when you're traveling, so be practical when you're traveling. I love my Mary Jane style shoes. They're stylish, comfortable, and perfect for walking long distances. I've hiked and walked on many cobblestone streets and hills in them. My other go-to is a pair of comfortable sandals that I can walk all day in, and then I can just pair them with a dress at night. They're also smaller than most shoes, so easy to pack. Then there's a hat. One of the things that is most often not thought about, but really is a travel essential, is a good hat for those sunny days when you need some protection, or cold days to keep the heat in. So just bring whatever style you prefer. There you have it, all of my 2024 travel essentials for women that I swear by. I hope you found them helpful and that they will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. I'd love to hear what yours are in the comments and what I may have missed that I need to add to my list. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.